Alright, we're going to start doing a little bit of unboxing here of the EinScan H. This is the, I guess, budget version. It came out in, I think it was December of 2020. And I just got it in the mail today, and I am excited to see what is going on in this bad boy. That is a really big box. So, first impression, that is a very nice box. Hopefully the camera can see that well. Very excited. Ought to be doing some good scanning for us. Get some really high quality scans for the Prius to do some interior work. So you've got your standard activation code for your, looks like Solid Edge Shining 3D Edition. Put that aside. Packing list. Alright. I don't have Stanley the knife, so I'm just using a generic. Alright, what do we got here? I actually don't know if this is a stand, maybe? It's very heavy. Nice reference acrylic or something. Alright, what else do we got? This thing is heavy. I don't know what it is. Set that aside. Oh, I know exactly what it is. So these are your reference dots. This is how you can tell the dimensions when you go to scan with it. Very cool. Very high spec. I would wager this thing weighs 4 or 5 pounds. Really high dollar. Could also just be a stand for placing objects on it so that the EinScan knows exactly, as heavy as this is, that's what I'm thinking it probably is, so that your EinScan knows exactly the dimensions of the object when it scans. Custom built foam. Alright, now we get to some meat of it. Some more wonderful foam. Alright, we got a thumb drive. Alright, thumb drive. We have here, I'm going to guess this is how you connect it to your computer. And your EinScan. So it looks like a BNC cable. The USB-C maybe? USB 3. Very long cable. Nice. What is this? Here's your markers. Okay. So, nice little package for markers. Lots and lots and lots of markers. So these pinpoints, this is what this is going to do. I don't know if you can see that with the shine. What this is going to do, you put these in various spots, especially if you have a shiny material, if you have lots of subtle curves, and this helps to teach the EinScan what the curves are so you can get better scans of it. Alright, AC plug for some cable. Probably in here. Lots of AC plugs. Oh, okay. Various different plugs for different nationalities. This obviously is not going to be for the United States. United States, because we have the lockout. I don't know what country that's for. This is quite impressive. Another country code. So, for the cost that this thing is, you get a lot of adapters. Well, look at that. There's even your big boy for, I think, one of these is the UK. And now for a big power adapter. So this is interesting. It's got a nice little I don't know if you can see that. There are attachments in there, and this is how you make your power brick. That is very, very interesting. Getting it out. Oh, there you go. So there's a little slight depression right there. Very, very cool. And now for the thing everybody's been waiting for. Oh baby. I am excited about this. Don't drop that thing. That would be a serious problem. Alright, so I'm assuming here's how you hold it. Looks like you've got your scanner button there. You've got adjustments up here, so thumb driven. Here are your connections. I question whether or not it needs to be connected to a laptop or a desktop while you're doing the scanning, or does this have internal memory? That is a good question. If it does have internal memory, it is not expandable because I don't see anything in it. No expansion points, no SD card or anything like that. Very cool. Optical mirror, all your scanner lenses. Very, very cool. So, EinScan H. This is the quote-unquote budget version. Here's all the wonderful items that it comes with, minus the budget cutting knife that's not a Stanley. Plenty of markers. There's got to be several hundred in there. What looks like a stand. I can't imagine this is anything but a product stand. As well built, and it's got rear magnets built into it. It's got to be a product stand. So if I were scanning this as an example and I set it on the stand and then I scan around it and these are the reference points, that would be my guess. Ouch, got myself. And as of this, I will have to read up and find out. What I did not see, I might be missing it. There might be a manual buried in this guy. There's not. So it must be an online manual. So there you go. That is what you get with the EinScan H. It is $4,999. I was not able to find any cheaper price. Feels extremely well built, like hefty. This is light, but still quite well built as best I can tell. Alrighty, thanks guys. See ya.